Okay, I've started now. So what I've got here is I got user records, right? So I can add a user, edit, view, and delete a user. So I'm gonna add a user now. So it's going to my user list, right? So let me add a name. So I'm gonna add Jada, right? And then surname.
Mathele.
Sorry.
It's
Right.
okay.
And then at gmail.com. Password Jada is leaving, and then a mobile number 076 111 45, and then date of birth. It might be
11th of August, 2004.
if August okay,
Oh 08, yeah.
08 2004, and
Yeah.
then yeah, choose a file, right? So I'll go to my file, then I choose one, just waiting.
Mm-hmm.
As you can see here, it, it leads to like my folder here. So I chose a file here. I'm just loading it now. Just download 2.jpg. So as you can see, it's gonna add a user. Just loading
Yes.
now. So as you can see here, it added another user as well. So it's
Mm-hmm.
Jada, and then now I can, if I go to my views, right, I'll be able to like view everything that I inserted here. So Jada Mathele, gmail.com, Jada's leaving, your date of
Mm-hmm.
birth and mobile number. But obviously you won't see the password. Oh yeah, you can see the password as well. Jada's leaving. So these are your personal details that have been added. Then
Mm-hmm.
you can go to your edit screen. So your edit screen, you can, this is your edit view.
Mm-hmm.
So you can, if you want to make changes to your uploaded profile, you can do so. For example, let's say you want to change the code or the password, right?
Mm-hmm.
To like Jada Rocks, right? Okay.
I like this password better. Yeah.
Right, edit that. As you can see here, your your edits have been saved.
Yeah,
So
I
s-
see.
so far you got your edits view, and then let me then if you want to delete like a folder, you can delete one. So you press delete, and then it gives you an alert. It gives you like a question. Are you sh- are you sure you want to delete? Then if you press confirm, what happens is, as you can see here, I took my profile and I deleted it. So yeah, there's functionality as well.
You meet all the requirements and it looks good.
Thank you very much.
Well
That
done.
that's it. That's the CSS and HTML. Yeah,
Looks good.
thank you. Then if you want to see any functionality on the back end, my views for user list, add users, edit users, delete users. So we've got if statements here. If form is valid, form save. if request that method strict equal operator post one code that deletes, so that it deletes that. If form is valid, form save one code equals user that objects. So this takes like the variable and makes it, then takes the class and objects and then gets the pk equals id. So it gets you
Yeah.
id elements there, and then also add users my dictionary, right? So you can if statement of if form is valid, form save.